The nice film, Mr. A.R. Rahman. He had us there for a moment, sir. He had us there when he said, the song by the Noora sisters. And those are unmistakably your vocals. Whose idea? Yours? His? Gotta tell us about that.
When he conceived the song and he wanted this tune to be done, I wanted to take the song myself. I wanted to sing it. Because I never sang a Punjabi song, and so he said okay. And then when I saw the movie, I felt like it needs a female voice. And so finally decided to get Noora sisters, which is a very good idea. And so we extended this version more.
It not only gets better, it's a surprise at each moment. And I think, what you really feel very sincerely, it's always very difficult to say. So I'll keep shut about that. जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ, बर्बाद करे अल्फाज मेरे.
So the surprise is actually we had a song in Highway, and it was a lullaby song, and Imtiaz suggested that why don't we try Alia for singing, and then I said really she knows singing, and we tested her out, and I really found she had this natural kind of style in singing, and so we recorded a song. She's in.
Okay, firstly, I'm not a singer. Huh? Okay, I'm a bathroom singer.
You are now.
Huh?
You better now.
Firstly, okay, yeah, it was very, 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 very exciting for me. I never thought we would actually go through with it. Imtiaz mentioned it to me, so yeah, we'll do it. No, let's do it. And then I said, okay, yeah, we'll try. And then finally, I was in Rahman sir's studio and I was messing up and I had this outer body experience that, oh my God, I'm in A.R. Rahman studio. What are you doing? You can't be messing up. So, we didn't rehearse much. I went twice. We spent quite a lot of time. And Rahman sir was very, very patient with me, which I am truly grateful for, because that really stopped me from going home and screaming in the pillow. I think that, the kind of experience you don't really think you'll have in your life. I always knew, okay, chalo, I'll act. Somehow I'll act. But this experience you never really think is going to happen. And it did. So then if I fail as an actor, I can become a singer. I've changed fully. I'm not the same person, I would say. This was that kind of experience that when I try to explain to people, they don't understand. I say, you don't understand. I connected with myself. I've had this experience. Everybody goes through a time where they find themselves. I found myself. You all don't get it. And no one has got it. Like, nobody understands what this is for me. And I've said it 1,000 times before that I actually want to live this life. I want to go back. I want to go through the motion again. In fact, we had like a month after the shoot, I was free. I told Imtiaz that, let's shoot the film again. And I got a bit of it again, but I'm still not satisfied. So I've told Imtiaz that he can't leave me at this peak, so he has to take it forward someday. But Highway is not just a film for me, it's my story.
It's supposed to come to you. Well, it has come to me. Because it's very embarrassing to talk about Rahman sir in his presence. And I don't want to praise Alia too much in her presence either, yeah. No, but I don't know, I think Alia connected with herself and she found herself. Working with Rahman sir and with Alia, I think I've also started the journey of finding myself. Maybe someday I'll also find myself and discover myself. And it will be largely thanks to Mr. A.R. Rahman. जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, तो ऐसा बहुत बार होता था कि हम लंबे सफर पे जा रहे हैं गाड़ी में, और या फिर कुछ समय साथ में ठंडे किसी जगह में एक ही गर्म कमरे में बैठ करके वक्त गुजार रहे होते थे. उस वक्त आलिया जी जो हैं वो गाना गाती थी, और अक्सर वो which song was that? It was from Rahman sir's film. G.R.A. Okay, often she would sing that song. So I thought that this is a good idea. And then when I mentioned to Rahman sir that she sings, actually sir, it was your idea where you said, so let's try her for this song. Because this was lip sync and all of that. So that ऐसे हुआ था.
I'm always fascinated by when I work abroad, whether West End or Hollywood, how an actress or an actor sings the same thing and they pull it off. And it's a great start. We have a lot of actors slowly starting to sing. Of course, they would love my voice also.
But obviously, I'm playing a character, but you do tend to do things naturally sometimes, which comes naturally to you, so that has a little glimpse of you. But I would say that there are a lot of parts in a highway where I'm not probably myself, but I'm Veera slash Alia. You know what I mean? Like just kind of eating up Alia. Veera's eating up Alia. Yeah, that's a loving experience.
Learning.
Yeah, thank God.
He must have guided you.
No, of course he was. I was fully dependent on him, and he's always like, obviously he's my director, so he will guide me. And learning experience, yeah, the whole thing was a learning experience from start to finish.
Just to clarify, the reason we are late is because three of us were shooting very far away from Bombay for the music video of the song that you just heard, Mr. Rahman singing.
He made me do crazy things.
Very good.
First of all, I'm singing Punjabi.
Oh,
Nobody complimented me.
I compliment for your Punjabi. And how did you pick up Punjabi?
Oh, that's a good question. I think I'm a fan of the language. So I've been listening to Nusrat Saab's songs for the past 25 years. So there's just an affection for the language. Then of course working with Subhash Ghai and Yash Chopra ji.
Special tips, I mean, everything was a tip only because I didn't know what I was doing. But I mean, I was having a lot of trouble sustaining my breath because I'm not used to singing. And one thing was the thing that I whenever there would be music playing behind me, I wouldn't sing. So I would always ask Rahman, sir, can you put the music off? And can I sing without the music? And he'll say, are you sure? I said, yeah. Then, but he would still let me try, as I said.
I think to pull it off, it's a very difficult track. It needs, you can sing a fast song easier, and slow, sustained songs, maintaining a pitch is difficult. I think to pull it off very well.
Thank you, sir.
Very lovely lady, and may God bless her soul. I think I just met her 4 weeks back on the NDTV function. I was really shocked. I don't know about other things.